one, we're going to evaluate the definite integral over the interval 1 to 64. And this is our integrand here. And we'll get started. So this one needs serious simplifying before we get started. So let's go ahead and rewrite this a little bit. So I'm first rewrite it as the integral from 1 to 64 of, and I'm going to put this piece under each of these terms here. So that's going to be 1 divided by x to the, and I'm going to go ahead and write it as a rational, plus x to the 1/3 divided by x to the 1/2 dx. And simplifying this further, we're going to get integral from 1 to 64. This is x to the negative 1/2 plus, and then I'm going to use my quotient property here. This is going to be x to the 1/2, minus 1/2 dx, which, let's just go ahead and subtract those. If you have the common denominator is 6, this is going to be 2 minus 3, which is negative 1/6. So now I can rewrite this as the integral from 1 to 64 of x to the negative 1/2 plus x to the negative 1/6 dx. And now we can integrate. So when you integrate it, let me go ahead and write it real quick one more time. So we had, I'm going to write it really small here. So we had x to the negative 1/2 plus x to the negative 1/6 dx. All right. Now, when you integrate this, you're going to get, you add 1, so this is going to give you 1/2, x to the 1/2, divided by 1/2 is the same as multiplying it by 2, so I'm just going to put a 2 here. All right, plus, when you add 1 here, you're adding 6/6, so that's going to be x to the 5/6. When you divide by 5/6, that's the same as 6/5. So basically what you're doing is you put the 6 here and the 5 there. All right, and then we're going from 1 to 64. We're going to use our evaluation theorem, and our A is going to be 1, and our B is 64. So we're going to do f of 64 minus f of 1. Now, this is our antiderivative, so we're just going to evaluate our antiderivative now. So let's plug in 64, and you're going to get 2 times, now the square root of 64 is 8, plus, plug in 64 here, you're going to get 192 once you multiply it by 6, divide it by 5. So that's that part. This part's just going to be 16. You can use a calculator if you want, or you can find the common denominator. Now we're doing f of 1. Evaluate that, and when you plug in 1 here, you're just going to get 1. And when you plug in 1 here, you just get 6/5. So this is going to simplify to 14 plus 186 divided by 5. And this whole answer is going to be 256 divided by 5. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.